I am Comrade Afulike Christian. And by the grace of God, I am the president of the Student Union Government here in Abia State University, here in Abia State, Nigeria. I want to stand in the very platform to also state clearly to the world that the said gang rape issue that has been circulated, that has been stirred all over the globe, is not or was not perpetrated in this great institution, Abia State University, here in Nigeria. The said incident, which some publications and some media houses, both national and internationally, are reporting that it took place here in Nigeria, here in Abia State University, we, the Student Union Government, the entire student of Abia State University, are saying before the world that that incident never happened here. One, the future of the environment in which the said action took place was not and is not the same as the future we see here in Abia State University. One, the act was perpetrated in a 9-spring mattress, which we saw in the video. But here in Abia State University, what we have is a 6-spring mattresses in our hostels. Some of the media houses are even saying that it was perpetrated inside our school. And we want to prove to the world that they can come in here, verify whether we have any mattress that has 8-9 spring size. We don't have such facility here. What we have here is mattresses of 6 spring capacity. Then two, I want to believe that the face of the said girl is very, very obvious, is traceable. So the victim can also open up to the world and tell the world where and how this thing happened. Because the only person that will douse this tension is the victim. Two, the perpetrators. Personally, I want to condemn the act. It is an act of immorality, and others to do with the state and image of man and organization. We, under the student union level here, we condemn that act. We condemn the act undertaken by the perpetrators. But what I want to say is that whatsoever organization, whatsoever agency, whether security, whether humanitarian, should verify this issue, should give in time in putting in investigation and verification before concluding that it's Abia State University. But for us here, we've not had any report. We've made our investigations. The victim, we've put in verification from one angle to the other, and we've come to discover that the said face of the same girl, we've not discovered any person that is said to be a student of Abia State University here in Nigeria. Thank you.
This thing did not happen here. Now, I watched this movie March 18th, but it's just of recent I started hearing about this thing, and it's not even in this school that it's happened.
Some purported report of the media says it happened here in Abia State University.
That is not true. It's a lie. It's not in Abia State University. They just want to criticize our school. You know, some people don't like this school, so I guess that is what they are trying to do about this school. It did not happen here.
But going with the video, the said girl, the face is there and the face is clear. Have you people noticed such face?
No, we haven't.
We have not seen that face before. Both the girl and the boy, you have not seen both of them.
We've not seen that face in this school. It's not an ABSU room. The room doesn't look like ABSU room at all. If the girl is in this school, girl. Because we do not recognize any of the faces there.
It's a propaganda.
The room now they raped the girl doesn't look like any room in this hostel. Like if you enter the hostels now, you don't have any room like that. So it's not in this hostel. They should go and look for where the thing happened, not in this school.
We are surprised hearing that this such thing happened in this school, and we the ABSU girls will not take it lightly. So we don't like this.
It's so large. It's not in the hostel. It's not in this school.
And rape somebody.
It's a rumor.
The girl, as in the porters are security, would have known. The porters are security.
It's not here. It's not happening.
It's a rumor. It's a rumor. It's not.
Respond to the purported gang rape that has been related to Abia State University here in Uturu, Abia State, Nigeria. What do you say about it? Or was the act perpetrated here in Abia State University?
Okay, concerning the issue on ground now about the rape case. When I first saw the video clip of the said act, all I saw was a room condition, a room situation, not Abia State University environment. And we saw some guys that up till now, none of our students have been able to recognize them, even the lady involved. So for me, the act for now cannot be narrowed down to Abia State University because you cannot relate a particular room that might be existing anywhere in the world to our own university. So I believe more investigations should be done elsewhere to really ascertain where that is coming from. Because for me, I can't relate it or I can't narrow it down to my school because a particular room cannot answer Abia State University. Thank you.
My name is Shegun Dixon. Shegun Minike Dixon, the chairman board of student governors. What I would just say about this incident is just that it didn't happen in Abia State University because if you check in our hostels, the bed that was used for the rape scene, it's a very big bed that we don't use in Abia State University. And if you also come and think of it, our students are very disciplined. And if you check the face of the girl, we've not even seen the girl around or know the girl as a student of Abia State University. So as in, I don't. And the reporter the person didn't even put his name in the Sun reporter, the Sun newspaper. The person didn't put his name. So I think the rape scene didn't happen in Abia State University, and those students were not students of Abia State University.
My name is Prince Ubonaya, aka T-Bag, and I'm the president of Popular Stand. What I want to say about this issue is that that face is not from this school. And by the grace of God, I know 80% of the students living in this hostel. So that face I have not seen before. And those faces will never exist from the school. So in this act, I would like people to take more investigation from other environments, from other schools, so that we can really find out where this thing is coming from, not somebody coming to narrow all the blames on Abia State University.
She's not an ABSU student and nobody have said to have known her, and our guys are not permitted to come into our hostel. Likewise, our girls too are not permitted to go to their hostel. So I don't think it is in ABSU. And ABSU is not the only the only Eastern school that speaks Igbo. So they shouldn't only put the blame on ABSU. They could go to other school, not ABSU.
I don't think he's in this school because the girl must be in one of the departments in this school, and that means we the student must have known her if she is in this school.
Being such thing happen in this school, at least we the students in this school must have known the girl, know where she's coming from, and know the people that did it. So we are even surprised hearing that such thing happen in this school. I don't think it's in this environment.
Paul, I'm a fourth year student in this very institution, and by the grace of God, I'm a member of the Students' Representative Council of the Student Union Government. If we go through the video very well, and if we assess both the environment and everything, the structures and everything, you see that this particular incident and its location cannot be cited anywhere within the school environment and its neighborhood. I want to state categorically that this is a deliberate attempt or a propaganda geared towards, spoiling the good reputation of this school. it is geared at, defaming the integrity of the student union government, the good students of Abia State University Uturu, the school management, and even the government of Abia State. I want to make it clear to everybody that this is an incident that did not take place in Abia State University, and it has nothing to do with Abia State University. Please, let the real perpetrators of this act be looked for in any other location and not Abia State University, because Abia State University students are disciplined students, they are God-fearing, and they are people who mind their business. And as our motto says, we are people who are groomed for excellence and service and not irresponsible acts. Please, I want to make it or reinforce my statement that this is an incident that is not associated with Abia State University. Thank you.
Yeah, student. And the issue of rape is a case of anti-socialism. And ABSU students, we ABSU students are not the anti-social type. As in, we mix up freely with our ladies. Even in the classroom where we do our all nights, we are free to interact with each other. We don't have that such mind, that evil mind, that devilish mind to penetrate such art. So I believe that this issue is just a propaganda to tie the image of ABSU, because we are going higher. Because as of last year, ABSU student was one of the best medical students. So I don't believe that the issue to bring down our prestige, bring down our logo, and as our motto signifies, we are known for excellence and service, and we are to be graduated both in character and learning. So I don't believe that this issue is something that is inconsequential and should be dealt with immediately. Thank you.